So brothers and sisters, this is not an advert, because I don't know the brand. But I just want to show you this lighter. If your gas cooker is not auto ignite, go and buy this thing. Especially if you have kids. Okay? If you use this, see, this pack, it reduces the risk of children turning on the gas in your absence. And it lasts because it's stainless. It doesn't get to break even if it was on the floor. It doesn't break. So if your gas is not auto ignite, see that, buy this pack and thank me later, okay? This is almost ready. I want it to be a little bit more dry. You can use a frying pan, you can use pots to fry. But why I use pot is because when you use pots to fry, you use lesser oil and you tend to fry more chips at once. What would have fried maybe 3 times using frying pan, you just fry it twice using the pot. When using pot, make sure you use a small pot that will just, keep the stuff just very small like this. Thank you for coming online. Please don't forget to like my video so you can find more audience. Please. How do you like your potato chips? Do you like it very strong, crispy, or soft? My husband likes it when it's brown. So I want to allow it to be brown with the aid of that curry powder I added to it. Thank you for coming online. Thank you for watching. Because I want to use the hot stuff for tea, I will not allow it to boil 100%, okay?
Mommy, please. Mom, put down. Mom, put down.
Yes, because actually I'm plantain.
That's a plantain.
Good boy. Anche mettere il muso, oh. It's golden brown already. So I still return these onions to give the last one more flavor in it. This is the last one.